A truly warm welcome to the USAID Bulletin. I am Meena Kare. In today's USAID Bulletin, we will be taking a look at the efforts of USAID in the Azad Kashmir. USAID has supported Azad Kashmir through a range of projects over the years that have improved livelihoods, increased community resilience, enhanced education and health services, upgraded infrastructure, and supported farmers and businesses. USAID has partnered with the government of Pakistan to rehabilitate the Mangla hydroelectric power station in Mirpur district of Azad Kashmir. The project will add over 90 megawatts to the plant's generation capacity, enough to supply electricity to more than 800,000 people. USAID, along with the National Transmission and Dispatch Company, has supported the construction of Patrind power transmission lines and upgrading of grid stations in Azad Kashmir. This has added 147 megawatts to the national energy grid. USAID helped in the construction of the Faculty of Education building in the University of Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Muzaffarabad. Through this project, USAID has provided in-service training to educators and enabled students to earn degrees in education by funding scholarships. As part of the Pakistan Earthquake Reconstruction Program, USAID has helped in the reconstruction of 61 schools in the areas affected by the October 8, 2005 earthquake. USAID also helped in rebuilding a 51-bed hospital at District Bagh with 6 wards, including emergency, gynecology, intensive care, and pediatrics. USAID also funded the Improving Livelihoods and Enterprise Development Program, or ILED, to assist those communities affected by the October 8, 2005 earthquake. This program helped in increasing the incomes of affected people by linking them to markets with economic growth potential. USAID, under the Pakistan Reading Project, awarded scholarships to 150 students enrolled in associate degrees in education and B.Ed honors degrees from Azad Kashmir. The project helped in improving the quality of basic education through better prepared teachers' workforce. USAID also supported the establishment of the Tourist Information and Facilitation Center in Muzaffarabad. This initiative helped in promotion of tourism in District Neelam. With support from the USAID Small Grants Program, 20 vocational centers were established to enable women to become kitchen gardeners in Azad Kashmir's town of Siana Daman. Essential tools were also provided to more than 300 women to provide for their families. Now let's take a look at this week's special report.
किसी भी मुल्क की तरक्की में हायल मसाइल में से एक बड़ा मसला बिजली की किल्लत है। माजी में बिजली की शदीद किल्लत ने पाकिस्तान ने बदकिस्मती से तवानाई का एक बहरान पैदा कर दिया था, जिससे मुल्क के सियासी और मुआशी इस्तेहकाम को खतरात लाहक हो गए थे। बिजली की बंदिशों की वजह से मुल्क को होने वाला मुआशी नुकसान मुल्क की GDP के तकरीबन 2% के बराबर है। पाकिस्तान के काबिल तजदीद तवानाई के वसाइल के इस्तेमाल के ज़रिए मुल्क को बिजली की फराहमी को मुस्तहकम करने का एक मौका मिलता है। इसी सिलसिले में अमरीकी इदारा बराए बैनुल-अक़वामी तरक्की यानी USAID ने नेशनल ट्रांसमिशन एंड डिस्पैच कंपनी के साथ मिलकर आज़ाद कश्मीर में पतरिंद पावर ट्रांसमिशन प्रोजेक्ट पर काम किया। ये ट्रांसमिशन सिस्टम दरिया के पानी के बहाव से बिजली बनाने वाले एक मंसूबे को कौमी ग्रिड से जोड़ता है। अमरीकी हुकूमत और हुकूमत पाकिस्तान के इस बाहमी मंसूबे की बदौलत पतरिंद हाइड्रो पावर प्रोजेक्ट से 147 मेगावाट बिजली कौमी ग्रिड में शामिल हो पाई, जिससे तकरीबन 40 लाख से ज़ायद पाकिस्तानी मुस्तफ़ीद हुए। ट्रांसमिशन सिस्टम की तामीर की वजह से काबिल तजदीद तवानाई के मंसूबों में निजी शोबे की सरमायाकारी को भी फ़रोग़ मिला है। इन मंसूबों से जहां आज़ाद कश्मीर को फ़ायदा पहुंचा है, वहीं मुल्की मईशत, ज़राअत और एक्सपोर्ट में भी इजाफा हुआ है।
Let's take a look at what we have for you in our next bulletin. As always, thank you so much for watching our bulletin. We look forward to your suggestions and your comments, and we'll see all of you again next week.